Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video I will explain to you the spot healing brush tool and the patch tool. So first we import an image. So basically we will remove this food stain using the spot healing brush tool. So we unlock the layer. Then we set the tool size. Then we click and drag the tool over the stain like this. And the stain is gone. And the shirt looks clean. So this is what this tool is for. Now we import a new image. This one right here. We have this hat and we will remove this logo and replace it with another one. So we do the same thing, we click and drag to remove the logo. We keep going like this. And here we are. The logo is gone. Now we import the other logo. This one right here. Now we move it to the design page and we adjust its size and position. And here we are. And this is another use of this tool. Now we get another image. This one right here. And we will move to explain the patch tool. We select the tool like this. First we unlock the layer and then we select the space right here. Then we click and drag like this. We do the same thing here to repair the change in the image. Same thing in here. And now the two pineapples are gone without a trace. Like they never existed. Take a look at how the image was. Like this. And how it became. So that's what we use this tool for. Now we get another image. And now I will hide the little kid. We activate the navigator tool. So that we can zoom in the image. And we select the little kid like this. And we click and drag like this. The kid is gone. I always put the navigator here because I use it too often. So I put it right here. Now take a look at how the image was. Like this. and how it became. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.